Welcome back to the channel. It's your man Rich Too Bad. I hope each and every one of you are having a blessed, wonderful, and a prosperous day wherever you are in the universe. Today is not going to be a mod video, but it's going to be a tutorial on how to use the launch control in your Dodge Charger or your Challenger if you have the Super Track Pack, the SCATPACK, and the HELLCAT or SRT Demon, whatever you want to call it. So you don't want to miss this video. Look at Betty White looking all nice and good over there, baby. But stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, so as you can see, we are back in the cockpit of Betty White, and I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do to how to use the launch control properly on your car. So first thing you want to do is make sure your car is in drive, and then of course you want to come in here and hit your Super Track Pack button, which I already have up, and then go to launch control. Then you want to set your RPMs. I would do this at 1500 just because, you know, these cars have a lot of torque built in them, so the higher your RPMs, the more wheel spin you're going to get. And even at 1500 RPMs, and even in my 5.7 Charger, I still get wheel spin on this car because it's just so much torque. So I'm going to show you exactly what to do. I'm going to go ahead and hit activate launch control. Launch control activated, 1500 RPMs, follow instructions on the cluster of the car. And of course you see it says to launch, press brake, and quickly apply throttle. So what you want to do is, I wore my LeBron James bright big bang so you can see this demonstration a whole lot better. LeBron, Nike, if you want to sponsor me, come on, get at me. So, but hold your left foot down with the brake, and what you want to do with your right foot is you want to step down on the gas pedal, and you see where it says to launch, release brake, and you see how it's holding my RPMs right at 1500. This is all you have to do, and then come off the brake. Now, if you hold it too long, it will cancel itself out. So I'm assuming it just holds it at like maybe 15 seconds, and then after that it will cancel itself out. So I'm gonna do it one more time for you guys. So activate launch, follow the instructions on the cluster board. I have to cut my light off. There we go. And then you see how it says to launch, press brake, and quickly apply full throttle. So of course, as you can see, my left foot is on the brake. I'm going to step on it. You want to step on the gas pedal as if you're stepping on a bug, like you just see a bug coming out of the corner somewhere and you're trying to kill it. That's how you want to do it. See how my foot is? Boom. And then it says to launch, release brake, and then it's holding my RPMs at exactly 1500. That is all you have to do. So that is all you have to do as far as what launch control does. And like I said, you can just practice this. Like I said, I mean, if you're gonna release, I'm just somewhere in Mexico right now doing this, but all you have to do is just hit the launch button, activate, read the instructions, and I'll do it for you again. See, my left foot is on the brake. I'm gonna step on it, my gas throttle, like I'm stepping on the bug, boom. And it says to launch, release brake. And you see how it's holding my RPMs at 1500? That's all you have to do. Now, if you come off too quick, if you come off the throttle too quick, it's going to cancel itself out. So just make sure when you step on it, you want to just hold it down like you're stepping on the bug and you're trying to squish it. So boom. See how it is? It's just that simple, guys. And it's gonna, I can literally hold this, and I'll just see how long it takes for it to cancel out. So after a while, it will cancel itself out. But that's not hard, man. And like I said, I would start at 1500 RPMs just because, you know, those 245s that come stock on these cars are not going to be enough grip on these tires. Like I said, the feature is pretty cool, but it is not enough grip for these cars. So if you're running bigger tires like 305s or 315s, you won't get that much wheel spin just because you got a bigger tire and more grip on the ground. But even with my 275s on the back rear of my car, I'm still getting wheel spin even at the low 1500 RPM. So I just want to do this with this quick tutorial for you guys. Like I said, I'm not going to really launch the car because I don't want to wheel spin and be burning all these tires because these tires are expensive. So all right guys, so I said I normally wasn't going to do a launch for you guys, but I'm going to do one just since I got the demonstration up. So I'm going to come here, hit the launch control, activate launch, of course follow the instructions on the cluster. I'm going to, and like I said, when you do this, your car should feel like it's going to bump forward, like you're in a, like you're at a drag strip. You see the guys and they're in the pre-stage and they finally get into that final stage before the tree drops. Like that's what it's going to feel like. So you should feel like a bump, and it feels like a cable is like releasing you on a track, like it's like to pull you. And if you do it right and you just let it go, the car is going to go. So I'm going to see if I can get some wheel. I'm trying to see if I can demonstrate if I do get wheel spin. So I'm gonna put the windows down just so you guys can hear it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this now. So of course my left foot is on the brake. I'm gonna step on the gas pedal like I'm stepping on the bug, and then I'm just gonna let it go. And that's how you release the launch control on your car. Woo, man, that was fun, guys. As you can see, I was able to successfully launch the car without spinning the tires. Like I said, it showed that it canceled, but it only canceled because I came off the throttle just because I didn't want to go fast, and I was just doing this for the demonstration of the video. So, like I said, if you have the Super Track Pack, which is the GTs, the RTs, and then the SCATPACks and HELLCATs have the launch mode, you just hit your button, you go into your settings, set the RPMs where you want it, activate the launch, and then make sure follow the cluster on the engine. Keep your left foot on the brake. Do not come off the brake, and step in with your right foot. Step on the throttle like you're stepping on a bug and hold it there until you're ready to release the brake and launch the car. So if you're trying to work on your 0 to 60 time, or your 0 to 100, or your quarter mile, or your eighth mile, this is a great feature to have, but it's not a great feature to have if you're trying to go head to head against somebody racing on a drag strip or somewhere in Mexico, wherever you want to be. So hopefully this video was helpful for you guys. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that notification bell, and subscribe to the channel. If this is your first time on my channel, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. And for everyone that has already subscribed to the channel, thank you very much. As I end this video, as always, keep God first, stay prayed up, stay blessed up. To the next video. Peace.